Hello students. So today we are going to do our next chapter, that is simplification. So I think you are very much clear with fractions and all. So we are going to use that concept here. So first of all, simplification. How we can simplify one expression? It will be simplified with the help of one rule, that is BODMAS, where B stands for bracket, O stands for of or order of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And we go from this side to subtraction, like from bracket to subtraction. We will see how. Suppose here we are having one expression, that is 18 minus 6 divided by 2 into 3. Sorry, here it's just messed up, but here is division sign. So make sure, please clear it. Here is division sign. So the given expression is 18 minus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. So first of all, according to BODMAS rule, what we are going to do? We are going to division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So on dividing, 18 minus 6 divided by 2, we get 3. So we will write that expression. We have solved the division. Now 18 minus 3 multiplication 3. So for now, after solving division, we will solve the multiplication. So 3 into 3, that is 9. And after that, we will solve with the subtraction. So we will stick with this rule of BODMAS. Here you can see how we can do the order of operations. So B stands for bracket. As in this expression, you can see 10 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is in bracket. So first of all, we will sort out the bracket. That is 4 plus 2. Then we are going to multiply with the 10. O is for order or of. So here 2 raised to the power 2, that is expression in power. We will solve that power, that order, which is equal to 4. Then we will add. And on division, first we will divide, then we will add. In multiplication, in this expression, you can see here is subtraction and multiplication, and according to the rule, we will follow with the multiplication, then with the subtraction. It will be as it is, like this. So now let's get to know a bit of brackets. So there are 4 kinds of bracket. One is bar, second is round bracket, third is curly bracket, fourth is square bracket. Okay, so there are 4 kinds of brackets, that is bar, round, curly, and square bracket. So that round bracket is also known as parenthesis, curly bracket is known as braces, and square bracket is also known as big brackets. Okay. Now simplify. How we are going to simplify the brackets? The order of simplifying the brackets is bar first, parenthesis second or the round bracket next, braces or curly bracket next, then square brackets at the last. So first we are going to solve the bar bracket, then parenthesis or you can say round bracket, then we are going to solve the curly bracket, then at the last we are going to solve the square bracket. It will be cleared with an example. So we proceed according to the letter of the word V BODMAS. So here V stands for winkle or bar. B stands for bracket, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So here in this example, you can see as I am zooming over here. So the expression is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9. As you can see, this is in bracket, this is in round bracket. So first of all, we are going to solve the round bracket by taking LCM. Okay. And then on taking LCM, we get 10 by 9. After solving the bracket, then we will remove the off, that means multiplication, into 3 by 5 divided division 1 and 2 by 3, that is 1 and 2 by 3 is we are going to write it in improper fraction. into, so these are all in mixed form, so we are going to change their form, minus 1 by 3. Now after doing this, what we are going to do is, after multiplication we get 2 by 3, that is off. We are solving here off, not the multiplication. So 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3. 5 by 3 comes after changing its form from mixed to improper. And here on, then we are going to solve the division. Okay, and after that what we are going to do is, we are going to solve the multiplication, then subtraction, and then we will get the answer. And here you can see 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3, and if we write it into the division form, it will be multiplication form. If we remove the division sign, we will change their numerator and denominator. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. So next example, here we have taken one more example. This is just same. Okay, so here we are having bar also, round brackets, curly brackets, and square brackets. First of all, we are removing the bar, then we are going to remove the parenthesis, yani that is round bracket, then we are going to do the BODMAS method in this curly bracket. Okay, then we are going to remove the braces, then we are going to remove the division sign, and we will write it in by interchanging their numerator and denominator. Then we are going to solve. So students, here is one sum I am solving for you. So here we are given the expression as 5 and 1 by 2, that is, this is in the mixed form of parenthesis, that is 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 11. So first of all, what we are going to do is, we are going to write this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 2 into 5 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 2 of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 in division with 5 by 11. So what the rule says, BODMAS, we are not having bar, so we are excluding this. BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So first of all, we are going to solve this bracket. And how we can solve this bracket? By taking LCM, that is 11 by 2 of, on taking the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, and then 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So we will multiply by 5 and we will get 10 over here, minus 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So we will multiply by 3 and we will get 9 plus 1 by 2 in division with 5 by 11. So what we will get, that is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 2 divided 5 by 11. So now we are left with of, addition, and division. And by the rule, first we are going to solve the of, that is 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 plus 1 by 2 in division 5 by 11. So on solving this, what we will get, 11 by 30 plus 1 by 2, 5 by 11. So we are left with addition and division. So now we have to remove the division first, and on removing the division, what we will get is 11 by 30 plus 1 by 2 into numerator. This sign is exchanged with multiplication, and numerator is exchanged with denominator, and denominator becomes numerator. I think you have already done this in division method, how to divide in the fraction. So now 11 by 30 plus 11 by 10. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take LCM. I am not giving the process of LCM. I think you already know the method. So 30 into 30, 30 into 1 is equal to 30. So multiplying with 1, that is 11, plus 10 into 3 is equal to 30. So we will multiply this 11 with 3, that is 33. What we will get? We will get 44 by 30. And after cutting, we will get 22 by, that is 22 by 15. Okay, I hope this method is clear to you, how we can do the simplification, how we are going to remove the bar, how we are going to remove the brackets and all. Let us do one more example of bar. Our expression says 14 minus, in square bracket we are having 9, 6 minus 2, that is over bar. So according to rule, first of all we are going to solve the bar. So on solving the bar, what we will get? Whatever the operation is given over there, we are going to perform that arithmetic operation. That is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Brackets closed. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to, first of all we are going to solve this round bracket, that is 12 minus, in curly bracket, but we are having in round bracket, 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3, curly bracket. Now we are going to solve the curly bracket first, that is 14 minus 9 minus 3, that is 6, in square bracket. So 14 minus 12 minus 6 is 6. Sorry, we are already removing this bracket, square bracket. So it is 14 minus 6, which is equal to 8. So this is how we are going to solve the bar and the brackets. I hope it is clear to you. So now after this simplification, there is one topic, that is square root. So what exactly is square root? The square root of a given number is the number whose square is the given number. That is, if we are going to square this number, if we are going to square the 2, we will get 4, and the square root of 4 is number itself, that is the given number, that is 2. So there is one method we are going to follow for finding the square root of a number. We have to express it as product of primes, then take the product of all primes, choosing one from out of every pair. So I have taken one or two or three examples over here. How we are going to solve is, first of all we are going to do the prime factors of the number. Suppose here you can see I have taken, first of all let's do with this. I have taken 36. Factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. And what we are going to do is, we are going to write this under the square root. This is the sign of square root. We are going to write like this is written as square root of 36, and we will write the prime factors into it, and we will take one out of every pair. That is, there are 2, so we will choose 1, 2. There are 2 3s, so we will choose 1, 3. That is, if we write it as, it is 2 raised to the power 2, and this is 3 raised to the power 2, and we will get 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Similarly here also, in the case of 144, if we are going to find the factors of 144, we will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and we will choose one out of every pair, and that is 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. Similarly in this, I have left it over here. You have to find it out, the square root of 64. So this is how we are going to solve the square root. So thank you students, thank you for listening.